Hello guys, thank you for returning to my channel. For those people that are new, please take the time to subscribe and join us. Click on the bell and you never miss the video from me. Today, my question for you is, do you prefer your food sweet or salty? Or do you prefer a combination? Today, my recipe is perfect for everyone's taste. Today, I'm going to make green lamb and pineapple wraps. Let's go to the kitchen. Oh, look over there. I'm gonna be using pineapple tortilla wraps, red onion, potatoes, and lamb. For the marinade, these are the ingredients you will need. I'm going to grill the lamb for around 10 minutes, but you can choose how well cooked you prefer. Peel and cut the potatoes into small chunks, then you can boil them. Do the same to pineapple. You can leave the middle of the pineapple or take it out. It's your choice. Brush the onion on both sides with the marinade, then place them on the grill. Next, you will want to marinate your pineapple. Slice the lamb, onion, and pineapple into smaller pieces. Now you can prepare your wrap and enjoy.